apparently Blackview will be launching a laptop very soon, and it's going to be called the ACEBOOK 8. After doing a little bit of research, I discovered that Blackview released a laptop back in 2022 called the ACEBOOK 1. So this is not the first laptop from Blackview, and this laptop, the ACEBOOK 8, is gonna be the successor of the ACEBOOK 1. So the ACEBOOK 1 was a simple, just a basic laptop that is, just a simple entry-level laptop that is capable of handling basic tasks. It's not a gaming laptop or a high-end or mid-range laptop. Okay, it's a very, very cheap laptop. I think it costs about $300. So I'm expecting this one to be a basic system as well. It's going to be very cheap, and it's going to be equipped with decent specs. And according to some of its specs, the laptop would have a 15.6-inch display, and I think it's going to be powered by an Intel N97 processor. I don't have the full details yet. The full details of the laptop are yet to be disclosed, but once I get the full details of this upcoming laptop, I'll let you guys know. But this is actually quite nice, a laptop from Blackview. It's amazing, guys. So this is the updates I have for you guys. We'll be seeing lots of cool products from Blackview and the other brands, other prominent Chinese rugged phone brands this year. So I'll definitely be here to keep you guys updated. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.